Welcome to my channel everyone, this is Karina Van Elsen. Today, let's make some lovely nourishing body butter. This cream is a fantastic hand cream as well. The materials or ingredients are measured and separated in different phases, so that materials are added in the correct order and nothing gets missed. As seen in the video, phase A is the water or your favorite floral water. Phase B is the slurry. Phase C are waxes and butter and oils. And phase D are the additives, your favorite essential oils, vitamins or antioxidants, or your preferred method of preservatives. And the last procedure would be to adjust the pH of the cream. Have a look at this sample formulation. You can change or replace the ingredients as you wish. Now combine phase B to form a slurry. That's your xanthan gum and glycerin. You can use any mixing tools you have, mix manually or use electric stick blender or mixer. Then add phase B to phase A while stirring until fully hydrated and a gel forms. Then heat to 75 degrees centigrade. This is the phase C. I chose to heat up the butters first because they take time to melt, and I added the rest of the waxes and oils after. You might notice that I'm not using a water bath or a double boiler, but in my other videos I did. But if you're a beginner in making products, you need to use a double boiler or other alternatives such as bain-marie or a pan of water over a stove or hot plate. If you can, use 2 thermometers to monitor the water and the oil temperatures separately. Continue monitoring the waxes as they melt as well as the water phase being heated. When both phases, the water and the oil phase, reach 75 degrees centigrade, you can then add the oil phase to the water phase, not the other way around. This is the most exciting part. I love this part when you watch the 2 phases together solidify as you stir until a glossy, homogeneous emulsion forms. Continue stirring while product cools to 40 degrees centigrade. Then add phase D. The ingredients, the additives, the preservatives, until smooth and glossy. To speed up cooling process, I filled my sink with water and some ice. I continue adding the rest of the ingredients while my emulsion is cooling down and getting that lovely smooth texture. This beautiful product is not ready yet, although the consistency is perfect. You need at least 24 hours to stabilize the mixture. After 24 hours, the emulsion is much thicker and ready to repack. And you can apply on your skin. Happy cooking cosmetics! See you next time and thank you for watching. Please share the love and come back soon.